Hey yo, what's up traders? It is your boy T-Bank Traders. Right now I'm on gold, guys. So currently as we're speaking now, the price has already reached our all-time resistance, meaning we about to witness some action on this zone. So we might swip to the upside, close above, then we looking for maybe some displacement. Yeah, we're looking for displacement on the lower time frame. Then we looking for our FVG. So currently right now we here at the zone, and we can see that there's a small Anyana rejection that is happening right now, but then the market has not touched this zone yet, so we're waiting for the price to prompt to the upside. Then we might witness some candlestick confirmations if we want to be conservative. But then if we want to be like be be aggressive, we can just enter after the market has closed maybe a bearish pin bar or maybe a double top, you know. So a double top nyana more at the top, because right now if we can go on a daily time frame, you can see right here that we are close to this all-time resistance. So we can see here the market had rejection twice, now the third time. So right now we here at our major resistance, so the market can do something. So the market can drop, then after here, then after getting here, then that's when we can get a buy signal, because we can see that the market was making higher highs and higher lows on the higher time frame. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We need to create a new high, so we need to reject right here. So we're gonna look for chart patterns on lower time frame like 15 minutes, 5 minute, but most likely I like to use 5 minutes. So I will be looking for double top or maybe head and shoulders pattern. So yeah, so I'm anticipating something like that. So we need to create a new high here. So we have to create a new high, then pull back for a retracement. So we can enter for sales want the price give us a sell signal on these areas right here. So we're going to look for maybe a bearish big shadow, of which in price action we say it is a bearish engulfing. So we're waiting for something like that, because we can see this impulsive move to the upside. The market has created a gap right here. So this is a bullish FVG on the higher time frame here on the daily. So when I go to H4, I can see that the price has swept this low, right? This move happened right now during CPI. So I'm waiting for something like this, for the market to reject here. Then we observe maybe some confirmation candlestick like bearish engulfing or a bearish pin bar or a double top, because those confirmation, they play out a lot. If you can just like have the skill to see those patterns, so you can take more advantage on the market. So I'm looking for something like that. We need to create a new high, because we already broke the structure. We already made a break of structure. So we need to sweep right here, these high. We need to sweep this all-time high, because remember guys, where we are right now, it is a critical zone, and you can see that the market has been in an uptrend. So the market is in an uptrend. Remember, we once start here on this consolidation, but we ended up breaking to the upside. So you can see this run to the upside, but the market is in a bullish trend. So what I'm looking for right now, I'm waiting for the market to create a new high, and right now we are approaching our all-time resistance, meaning to set the high when we're looking for short position. But mind you that this is a pullback on the high time frame. So on the lower time frame, like 1 minute, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes, that will be sell trade. So it will be like a swing trade type of a thing, because you can see on this all-time resistance that we don't see the market activity when we look to the left hand side. So the market has never traded to when we look to the left, right? Let me just take my horizontal. So just gonna do like this and just place it right here on this all-time all-time. Let me just place it here on top of those wicks. So I can clearly see that when I drag my chart to the left hand side, I can see that there is no market activity, meaning we have room to the left. We are having a room to the left, meaning if we see maybe a bearish pin bar, because we we catch high trades, high setups when you have maybe a room to the left, because the market has not traded when we look to the left, so there is no market activity. So meaning, so the market might find an exhaustion when it gets up here. Then we might look for sell right to this all-time resistance. We look for sell opportunities, but then now we're still waiting, and be patient and don't take like stupid trades. So we just need to wait, right? And by the way, you don't have to like make so many drawings on your chart. You need to find critical areas on your H4 or on a daily time frame. So you can also see that the market is rejecting. You can also see that the market is rejecting. So I'm looking for sell here. I'm looking for sell right here. So waiting for something like this, the market to sweep to the upside, then waiting for the market to create a displacement and an FUG on the smaller time frame. Then I place my sell limit order, and as you can see right over here, this demand zone aligns with the daily time frame FVG right over here. So if I can zoom on right here, if I can zoom on just like this. This is the bullish FVG on the hard time frame, and this we are close next to our key level right here. You can see that the market right over here, we are next to our key level. This is our resistance. So we broke our resistance, we about to create a new high, then come back to our key level right here. Then we're looking for long opportunities. But when I go to 4 hour, I can see right here that there is a demand zone right over here. Right here, there is a demand zone. So there's a huge imbalance right here. So meaning, in my head, I'm thinking the big boys need to come back to collect more orders around this demand zone. So I'm trading high time frame, so I'm taking everything into high perspective. So I'm looking high time frame, so I know when I'm looking high time frame, I'm looking in overall direction of the market. So I have to observe right now and see what the market is gonna do. So I'm gonna mark this demand zone. So I'm waiting for the market to reject here and sell off, right? So it might happen that the market comes and tests here, because we can also see that we see a long rejection right here with this wick, with this red candlestick. So, and the market was founding support, so the price can reject and come and drop up until this support zone, or come here on this demand zone, making a liquidity sweep. This could be an inducement. So it's an inducement and a liquidity sweep. So we might induce right over here. Traders that have placed their buy orders right here, they might get swept. So you don't have to rush. You shouldn't be a liquidity of the market. So you must wait up until the price gets hit. But there is a high probability that the market might get here, or maybe start to reject here. So we don't control the market, we just follow the market and see what the market giving us. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing for now. So yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support your boy. So yeah, guys, let's grow together and be consistent all the time. Peace out.